what is up guys, it's GameTech4 back with a brand new video on the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make an automatic armor equipper in Minecraft. So I am a new member of the GameTech4 channel. My name is Gaming God. So without further ado, let's get started. So the materials you require are dispensers, redstone, a button, a block and stair of your choice. You can select any material, a helmet, a chest plate, leggings and boots. And again, all of these four are your choice. You can make it out of iron or gold or any other material of your choice. A shield, and these on the light colors, they're optional. You can do it to make it look more prettier. So they are a slabs, planks, logs and a door. So now that I've shown you the materials required, now I'm going to show you a demo of how it works. So you come in here, you open the door, and this is the armor equipper right here. You stand right here and you press on the button. You hear that noise, and when you go here, you see your completely equipped armor and the shield. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. So first, what you need to do is you need to take some stairs of your choice. Right here I am using quartz stairs. And a block of your choice. Right here I'm using a block of quartz. So you want to find a nice empty area. And now what you want to do is you want to create a 5 by 5 area of the block of your choice. So I'm going to create it right now. 1 2 3 4 5, and now 1 2 3 4 5, and then complete it. And now after this 5 by 5 area, you want to fill in the rest of these. You want to fill in this square. Now after you have made this, you want to take your stairs and place them around the blocks like so. And you need to make sure you also cover the corners right here. Almost done. So now that we are done with that, so this will be the base for our armor equipper. So what we need to do now is we need to grab dispensers, and then you need to make sure you're not grabbing droppers because both of them are quite similar. A dispenser is different from a dropper. So then you want to grab a button. Make sure it is a stone button. Next, you want to grab a piece of redstone. Okay, so now we are ready to make it. So what you want to do now is you want to take the dispenser, place it right there. Make sure that place it right here, and you will notice that when you try to place the second dispenser on the first dispenser, you can't. So what you need to do to fix that is you need to crouch. If you crouch and place it, you can place it easily. So next, what you need to do is you need to take the block of your choice, and you need to place one there. Place one more there, and then what you need to do now is you want to place one. You want to crouch, place one block there. So then you want to go down right here, and you want to place one dispenser facing downwards like that. So then after that you can break these blocks. If you want to keep them, you can keep them. And next, step, you need to place two more dispensers right here. So one, and crouch and place the second one, because you can't place it on over the first one if you don't crouch. Next, you need to place a button on this dispenser right here. So you come up over here, it looks like this. You want to place it on the second one of the right stack, so right here. Make sure you crouch and place it, otherwise you can't place it. And then you want to place a piece of redstone right here, down. Next, what do you want? You need to take the armor of your choice. So I'm gonna take diamond armor. And then you need to place the helmet. So you need to place the helmet in the top one right here, like the very top one. Place the helmet right there. And then in this one, the second one of the right stack, this one right here, which has the button, you need to place the chest plate. And the bottom one of the right stack, you need to place leggings. And this one, the top one of the front stack, this one right here, the one next to the button one, in that you need to place a shield. So you need to get a shield. So now that you got a shield, you can place it in there. And in this one, the bottom one, you placed your boots. Now these two, the bottom ones, they are interchangeable. You can put boots here if you want, and you can put leggings over here if you want. That's your choice. So now the actual armor equipper is done. So now what we do to make it more beautiful is you get rid of all of this. Now it's time for you to use your creativity and make it however you like. So I'm going to give you a very basic design. You need oak logs, and then you need oak planks, and then you need stone slabs, and then you need oak stairs, and then you need a door, any kind of door. I suggest an oak door. And again, I've shown all these materials over here in the material list. So now what we are going to do is we are going to in the corners of the square, like right here, the corners, like there, here, and there, and so forth. So then now we are going to place 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come to this corner, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come to this corner, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come to this corner and same, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now what you want to do is you want to take your slabs and you want to place them right there. So now that you have placed it right there, what you need to do is you need to take your stairs and place them right here. I'm so sorry about that. That's fixed. So take your stairs, place them right there. Again, this part is you can do whatever you want. Use your creativity. I'm sure many of you are much better builders than me out there. So yeah, and then you want to take slabs and cover this entire area, and then again put another layer of these stairs on the edge, and finally and make sure the stairs are facing outwards, and finally end it off with that. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take our oak planks and we're gonna just fill up this area right here. You're gonna do 3 layers, and when you come to the 4th layer, you fill it with slabs. again. So second layer, the third layer, and fill it with slabs. Now here what the thing you need to do different is, the right and left edges you do the same thing, but in the center what we're going to do is place a slab right there, place an oak plank right there, and place a door, and then do the same thing for the other side, the original one. Sorry. Yeah, so now your automatic armor equipper is ready and working. So what you can do is you can open the door, come here. This is the proof that it works. So as you can see, I have no armor on, I just this shield, so I'm just gonna remove it, and then as you can see, I'm completely with no armor. So you want to just stand here, and then you want to click this button right here. So click it, and now you can see that I'm completely equipped with armor and a shield, as you can see here. So that was it, guys. It's really easy to make, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel with notifications on. Thank you for watching, guys.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies.